Hello everyone, I'm going to unbox this gift from Magazine Luiza. It's a Canon Rebel SL2. Let's see. Look, Dakota is there looking at us. What are you doing, Dakota? Are you awake or just like a zombie there? Oh, she's not a zombie. Okay, let's open up. Let me see what's reading here. Magazine Luiza. Come be happy. Okay, Magazine Luiza, nice packing. We bought this from the Magazine Luiza website. It took about a week. The shipping. Very good packing actually. Let's see. Let me try to open and do not destroy it. It's so hard, I guess, to do this. Let me see. I was trying to do the things and look through the cell phone, but it's hard to do this. I'm going to just open it. Okay, I'll go and throw the holes. Let's see. The box. A very beautiful box. And here it's, oh, this is dangerous. The warranty seal was already broken. I don't know if it's easy to see, but look, the seal was already opened. So now let us see if it's okay. Otherwise, I'm going there to ask a new one. Warranty, Rebel, the guide, quick guide, the quick guide in Portuguese, obviously. What else? What else? Oh. This is the charger. This is the battery. Cables. Charge cable. Oh, the lens. This is very expensive. The lens. Let's see. Do this with one hand. It's very difficult. Yes, the lens. Behold the lens. Okay, I don't know, how do you say this? It's the thing that you're supposed to attach in the bag or in the cam to hold on our shoulder. I don't know the name. The belt. Like a belt. And the body cam. This is the camera. Let me put this here. To open it. Oh, very beautiful. Is it easy to see? Oh, no, it isn't. Okay. Oh, very soft. I have no idea how to use it. I'm going to learn it. To learn from the bottom how to be a photographer 101. Maybe I create a channel on YouTube with this. Very good. I guess the battery has no charge. I guess no, I'm sure about that. It's without charge. Oh, there's a tape here. Open. I'm recording with my mobile, my iPhone. The last time, I guess. The light ion. Oh, very small. I remember in the 90s, the battery was the size of this camera. Where should I put it? Here. Is it supposed to charge the battery with the battery in the camera, or I have to use the charger? I don't know. I have to find out this. How can I do this? There's always one win. Dun, 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 dun. Very good. And here here it is, the slot for the memory card, memory stick. It's an SD and the battery. Okay, close it. This is it, the camera. Let's try to turn it on. Oh, there's actually a battery. How can I set this? Data hora zona. Today is not January the 1st. If I let me see. Oh, it's the touch screen. Let me see. Okay. 31. So this is the day. What day is today? 2nd. Today is April 2019. What time is it? I have no idea. I'm out of my watch and my cell phone is not showing the time. But I guess now it's 7. Okay, this 7:30. I don't know. Oh, it was month, day, year here. London? No. Plus, minus, yes, 4. I bet I can set this later without memory card. Low battery. Yeah, the battery is over. Never mind. I will recharge this and do another try. Okay, this is it. The Canon Rebel TS. Oh, it's not TS. This is the SL2. Lots of buttons. Things to do. Okay, I'm going to learn it.